So everyone is using WhatsApp for marketing of their business and sending text messages to all the leads. But over here, I have a hack using which you can be different and send bulk video messages to all your leads to gain many more conversions. So as you can see, I'm running a skincare brand and I've sent all my leads this video message, and also I've attached a caption with it. And further, if they are going to reply with glow, I'm just going to share a personalized skincare recommendation with them. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can send bulk WhatsApp messages with videos so that you can stand out from your competitors. To do this, you just have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you're going to get a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you get a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow, you can try and test Pabbly Chatflow for free, and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a maximum amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. As you can see, when you're going to apply this discount coupon code, which is RITYT, it is going to get you the maximum amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow in comparison towards the other discount coupon codes. If you're planning to purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow, don't forget to check this amazing discount coupon code out. Okay, but first I'll suggest you try Pabbly Chatflow, and then if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow using this amazing discount coupon code. Okay, so now we are on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and first you have to make sure that you've added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow like I have already added. If you haven't added your WhatsApp number, first of all, you can just comment WhatsApp number, and my team is just going to share you a step-by-step tutorial which is going to let you know how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Once you add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, you are good to go. From the left end of the side, go on this broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow and click on this add broadcast button. Now you have to choose the broadcast type as broadcast campaign. Now for the broadcast name, I'm just going to select it as video. So I'm just going to keep the broadcast name as video message right over here. Now for the contact list, I'm just going to choose the contact list to whom I want to send this message. I've already created this skincare test list. If you want to learn how to create contact list, just comment contact and I'm just going to share you a step-by-step tutorial for the same too. I've already created multiple lists, so I can select multiple lists directly from here. If you want, you can definitely select a single list too. I'm just going to select two lists right over here and then move on further. Now over here, testing refine audience, you can exclude some lists to whom you don't want to send this video message. Apart from that, you can also exclude some contacts to whom you don't want to send this video message. Apart from this, you can also exclude the contacts in active 24-hour conversation so that they don't receive a reductant broadcast on the top of an active conversation. And over here, it is asking you to choose the message type. So if you go for a pre-approved template message, you have to select the WhatsApp template right over here. For that, you have to make sure that you go on the template section of Pabbly Chatflow, create a template first, and then wait till Meta approves your template. After Meta approves your template, you can select the WhatsApp template directly from here. If you want to learn more about this template section, comment template, and I will just share you a video which is a step-by-step guide to the template section. I'll suggest you can also go for regular message and select the message type as video directly over here. You can simply create this message type without getting it Meta approved. You just have to choose the message type right over here and then simply enter the caption. So this is the caption which I want to send with the video, so I'm just going to simply copy the caption and paste it right over here. In this caption, if you want to bold some text, what you can do is you can add the stars in the starting and in the end of the text which you want to bold like this. Like this, you can format the text according to your own choice. Now after you do this, what you can do is you can move on further and you can simply attach the video right over here. Go on this upload from media library. If the video is not added in your media library yet, go on this add new video button and then choose a file or drag it here. From here, you can simply go on the download section and simply upload your video. Like this is the skincare video, so I'm just going to upload it right over here. Once I upload the video in the media library, then what I can do is I can choose the video directly from my media library and upload it. So as you can see, this video is uploaded in my media library. I can choose it and then click on this insert button and it is inserted right over here. Then I can move on further. Over here, it is asking for the username and the mobile number. So what is this? Before sending this WhatsApp message to bulk leads at once, I can test it. What I can do is I can simply enter the username and the mobile number to whom I want to send this test message and click on this send test message button. It is saying test broadcast sent. So let me just open my WhatsApp, and this is a new message which I have received. You can see some text is bold right over here. This was the text which was formatted while entering. I added stars in the starting and in the end of the text. That's the reason this is bold right over here. As you can see that this is the video over here, which is 3 simple steps of the skincare routine. And now you can see the message looks perfectly fine. I can send it to all the leads. Okay, so for that I have 2 options in order to send this message. I can send it instantly or I can schedule it for later. So if I wish to send it instantly, I can go on this no send instantly and then add button, and it will be sent instantly. But if I want to schedule it for later, I can go on this yes schedule for later, go on this date and time, and simply select the date and time at what I want to schedule this. So I want to schedule it as 31st of July 1 p.m. So I've selected the date and time according to that, and I'm just going to click on this add button. Once we're going to click on this add button, it is saying at your scheduled broadcast time, only contacts who message you within the previous 24 hours will receive your broadcast message. Contacts outside this 24-hour window will not receive the broadcast message. Okay, so I'm okay with it. So I'm just going to click on this add broadcast button, and I'm going to say yes, this is scheduled for July 31st 2026 1 p.m. This is a video message, and as you can see over here, once this message is sent, I can go on the send section and view the stats for the same. I can see how many were sent, how many were delivered, how many were read, how many were pending, how many were ignored, and how many were failed. I can also check the valid and the invalid field too, and I can also resend the valid and the invalid field too. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of this broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow. You can send video messages, not only video, you can send documents, you can send audio messages, you can send text messages, you can send image messages, and much more. Apart from sending bulk messages, you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create WhatsApp chatbots. You can create AI chatbots. We upload regularly multiple videos on our YouTube channel explaining the features of Pabbly Chatflow, so you can check it out too. Not only sending bulk broadcasts, but you can do much more with Pabbly Chatflow. And once you try Pabbly Chatflow, and if you like it, RITYT is the discount coupon code which can get you a very high discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. But I'll just let you know that this is only valid for a limited period of time, otherwise the discount amount can get a bit less. No worries, if you're planning to buy Pabbly Chatflow, do not delay it. This is the maximum discount you can get on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, so further, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. For more automation tips and tutorials like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel, and if you have any doubts, just drop them in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.